Hi, I'm here at the northern edge of the Florida Everglades with my friend Captain Wild Willie, and this is an airboat, a watercraft specifically designed to take people into the shallow wetlands of this amazing place. Let's take a look around. The Everglades are their own ecosystem, which means that a combination of plants, animals, earth, air, sun, and microbes all live together to balance each other out. Plants absorb nutrients from the sun and earth, and then some animals eat the plants. Those animals in turn are eaten by other animals, and when the predators die, they become nutrients for the earth, and that process goes on and on. The Seminole Indians called this place Paheoki, meaning grassy water, and I can see why. Vegetation, or flora as scientists call it, is everywhere. Water lilies and lotus grow abundantly in the warm tropical weather of Florida and help clean the water, while the roots of cypress trees stain the water this dark color, which helps smaller aquatic life hide from predators. What you got there?
This is an invasive species of plant that actually upsets the ecosystem. This is hydrilla.
Hydrilla. Let me see that. I've heard of this. So invasive means that it's not native to the area. The hydrilla was actually accidentally introduced into this ecosystem, and when that happens, it sort of upsets the balance of everything. The hydrilla will kill off all of the other plant life around it by sort of choking off their supply of nutrients and further deteriorating the ecosystem.
The way the state controls it, they actually spray, and it does not harm the other plants. It just zeroes in on hydrilla.
On hydrilla, it leaves everything else alone. Well, that's a good thing. So the smartest thing we can do is not upset nature's natural balance in the first place. There. Do you see him? The other side of the ecosystem is fauna, which means animals. Now, the most famous residents of the Everglades are alligators, which live in freshwater, and crocodiles, who live in saltwater. Powerful and dangerous, these predators are a natural balancing force in nature, as they eat fish and worms and larger prey like birds to keep them from overpopulating. Now, let's see what else we can find out here. Many kinds of birds make this place their home, including the blue heron, which feeds on fish and even tiny baby alligators. They, in turn, are prey to eagles and others who eat their eggs. The snail kite is an endangered bird that exclusively eats these apple snails, whose egg pods grow on the calcareous grasses, meaning high in calcium, which helps the snails grow their hard shells, just like the calcium in milk helps your bones grow. Pretty cool, huh? The cycle of life in an ecosystem is interdependent. Everything depends on everything else. Mother Nature can usually take pretty good care of herself, but we, the human species, have to do our part too. So it's important to respect Mother Nature by not polluting the air and the water and by honoring her boundaries. I'll leave you with this one last thought. As the dominant species on the planet, it is up to us to take care of Mother Nature's needs as well as our own, because we are part of a much larger ecosystem than the Everglades, our Mother Earth. I'll see you next time.